Welcome to Smart Kid Who Taught a Channel, a fun and engaging place for kids to learn English. Let's start our English learning journey. Wake up! Wake up! Brush teeth! Brush teeth! Wash face! Wash face! Change clothes! Change clothes! Have breakfast! Have breakfast! Go to school! Go to school! Study! Study! Take a break! Take a break! Play with friends! Play with friends! Have lunch! Have lunch! Take a nap! Take a nap! Do homework! Do homework! Take a shower! Take a shower! Have dinner! Have dinner! Watch cartoons! Watch cartoons! Play with toys! Play with toys! Listen to a story! Listen to a story! Get ready for bed! Get ready for bed! Sleep! Sleep! Wake up! Wake up! Brush teeth! Brush teeth! Wash face! Wash face! Change clothes! Change clothes! Have breakfast! Have breakfast! Go to school! Go to school! Study! Study! Take a break! Take a break! Play with friends! Play with friends! Have lunch! Have lunch! listen to a story. Listen to a story. Get ready for bed.